In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Tasks with another person. Let's start with the clear, honest truth. Google Tasks doesn't let you share a whole task list the way you might share a Google Doc or a sheet. There isn't a share button, and it's designed primarily for personal to-do tracking, not full collaboration. That said, there are two practical workarounds that let you assign tasks to someone else and have them show up in their Google Tasks. The first and most seamless option is to use Google Chat with a shared space. Open Google Chat, create, or open a space that includes the person you want to collaborate with, then switch to the Tasks tab inside that space. Click Add Task, give it a clear title, add any details or a due date, and choose who it's assigned to. When you save it, the assignee will see that task appear in their own Google Tasks, and you'll both see it in the space. This is great for ongoing projects because discussion, files, and tasks all live together. If you need to update the task, do it right inside the space so everyone stays on the same page. Keep task titles specific, use due dates for visibility, and remember that notifications follow the space's settings. The second option is to assign tasks from within Google Docs. Open a document, highlight the text that describes the work, and add a comment. Mention the person with the @ symbol and select the option to assign it to them. When prompted, confirm turning that comment into a task. This automatically creates a task linked back to the document, and it appears in both your Google Tasks and theirs. It's especially useful when the task is tied to a section of content, because the task includes a link that jumps straight to that spot in the doc. If you want a deadline, add a date in the task after it's created so it's visible in their list and reminders. Now, a few limitations to set expectations. You still can't share an entire Google Tasks list with someone else, and you can't co-edit a single list in real time. Collaboration only works through tasks created in Google Chat Spaces or assigned from Google Docs. And even then, features are more limited than a full project management tool. To recap, while Google Tasks isn't built for shared lists, you can collaborate effectively by assigning tasks in a chat space or converting a doc comment into a task. Pick the method that matches how you're already working, and you'll keep responsibilities clear and visible for everyone involved.